These fools, they're racing to the finish. Come on. Parking sideways and walking sideways.
Wow. Here's the island, or the rock, I guess you would say. We are like maybe 10 minutes away. How cool. You guys should have came here. I feel like this is more of an adventure than Angel Island. Anyway, see you soon.
Kasi pag hindi ka nakakuha ng ticket online, meron naman sila dito.
Yes.
O, tapos meron dyan,
Options.
option. So, kung mag-click ka, yan. O. Ayan pala, $3.
The new Clipper card. Bagong Clipper card yan.
Pero wala kaming clipper card.
Wala.
Kunwari, bakasyonista ka. Kasi
Cancel.
Ito kinuha namin.
Tapos
Pupunta
punta kami ng
sa
Angel Island. Ayan yung mga
Yan.
prices. Round trip na
Round
yan
trip
siya.
yan. So, kasi yung sa akin, di ko alam, nagka-problema yung online ko. Pero pwede ka magbayad ng cash actually. So, nakakuha na ako ng ticket ko yun.
Yes. Okay.
Like still, the other one.
Yeah.
TK?
Let's try it.
Okay, one. Karen.
But not a Karen, okay?
Sabi ko, mag-picking kami. Picking duck. Seryoso pa sa picking duck?
Ano ba kasi yun?
Kapampangan, Bisaya ba nagsama?
Mga fruits or
Yeah.
something. Oh, okay, gets ko na. Na-G ko na.
Ayaw niya pala ng peking duck. Gusto niya picking duck. Wala si Doc. Feel na feel namin yung init. Init sa ilalim ng payong.
Okay, ang weather ngayon ah.
Okay, hakutin ko rin to. Doon sa beach namin lang.
Pinusta na ferry kaya.
Pero kami nag-cappuccino.
Totes. So, cheers!
Perfecto!
I still have one. I know.
Ang siya!
Sarap.
We'll put this stuff behind the seats, okay? You guys? Appreciate it.
Kung saan napupunta. Tingnan mo yung tsura.
Balot na balot eh. Ano niyo po yung mga lamig-lamig, lumalabas na ng tatagag na.
Ilan po kami sa Angel Island.
Nag-share lang kami. Nag-share lang kami ng tubig. Pang-tubig, pang-dagat. At ang mahal $35. Siyempre ang banyo namin doon.
31.
31 pala.
31.
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Kasi may pumupo. Na-miss namin na 2 minutes kanina yung dapat first trip ng ferry.
Okay, folks, for those of you joining us here at Angel Island, welcome aboard. We're going to shoot across the way to Tiburon here. We'll offload some people, grab some people, and then we'll be on our way to the city.
Oo.
Please use caution if you're moving about.
Magtitiburon kami.
And this is a non-smoking vessel, so no smoking or vaping anywhere on this vessel. Thank you.
O, diba? Buti nila hindi ka nag-stay. So, ang plano ko sana dito. Dito. Ayaw ng Chaninet and ang ganda pa naman ng island sana. Feel na feel? Ay!
It's the tea, right? It's tea
It's
based.
for everything.
It's a pupu tea. Yeah. Oh, really? Yeah.
Okay guys, I'm looking for Azam. Enter Cody, where are you? Water pa natin.
Nag-offer naman kasi siya eh. Hindi ko alam kung saan nila nakuha yung salitang golden. Pula naman.
Kaya nga si Carl
Gold rush, not necessarily from
Rush?
Rush.
Sorry.
Ayun, may kalahating kapampangan ako, pak.
Send mo yan Magtyaga ka mag-send na ngayon, utang na loob.
Ayan po yung dagat.
Oh, ayan naman mga ibon.
Ayan si Karen. Oh. Ayan si Kuya. Pa-thank you. Ayan si Doc. Yung daw, cute na daw siya.
cute talaga siya.
Yes.
Thank you, kuya.
Anong thank you ka mo?
Para marinig sa video, nagpasalamat ako.
Narinig din naman sa video na hindi totoo yung pagpapasalamat mo. Huwag kayo magsano magsalita.
pag reels, portrait.
medyo.
Pang reels.
Ang rounds.
Pang-collect reels.
Kain na. Thank you.
Lombard Street in San Francisco at night is so beautiful. See all the cars coming down. Like you have. This was my bed, by the way, and look how clean. This is Net and Karen's bed. Oh. It's very pretty, actually. It's a very nice, very pretty. The architecture is English Victorian style. It's really nice. Diba? Ang laki pa niya. It's a really nice chandelier. Surprisingly. There's like 3 mirrors.